Hello students, Namaste and welcome to the 25th lesson of our course. The title is मुझे जाना है. I'll repeat, मुझे जाना है. Again, मुझे जाना है. The English equivalent you can see on your screens. I must go. Before we proceed further, let's discuss the construction. This construction is a special and unique one, and it has many uses and applications in the Hindi grammar. If you remember, in the last chapter we touched upon the indirect verbs. This is one of them, but it is the most useful and the simplest one. Alright, so let's begin. The construction is also known as go with infinitive construction. Why go with infinitive, you may ask? Mujhe is मैं with go and jana is not conjugated in its infinitive form and hona used as a helping verb. Simple, right? Mujhe jana hai. I must go. We can make many simple sentences like this. मुझे सोना है. I must sleep. मुझे खाना बनाना है. I must cook food. मुझे ये खरीदना है. I must buy this. Right? Now, this structure, this construction is part of three compulsions that we have in grammar. The first one is moral compulsion. We have already done should in the last chapter. Go with infinitive with chahiye. Inner compulsion, must, we are doing right now. And then there is a third one that we will do in this course in the following chapters. External compulsion. In English we have has to or have to. Now, although must and has to, have to are interchangeably used in English, but there is a slight difference. Inner compulsion is based on someone's opinion and judgment, but external is based on the rule, law, or duty. Right? That's something we cannot avoid is external compulsion. Here, but we know that must is used at the place of has to or have to and vice versa. So, we can say that this construction can also be used as has to or have to. So, we have done two uses. Go with infinitive can be used as must, can be used as to, have to, and also surprisingly to express desires and discuss future plans, more precisely near future plans. So 4 uses. You learn this simple. Yeah, infinitive form of the verb is used, so you do not have to conjugate the verb. You just have to learn the contracted form of मैं with को, आप and को. With other pronouns we will do later, not now. Alright? So, मैं and को we already know it is मुझे. आप with को is आपको, does not change. So we know that. Now, I have to go tomorrow. How would I say? I have to go tomorrow. मुझे कल जाना है। I have to come back tomorrow. मुझे कल आना है। आपको कहाँ जाना है? Where do you have to or want to go? आपको कब जाना है? When do you have to go? Alright? आपको क्या करना है? What do you have to do? Or what do you want to do? Depends on the context. Alright? Now, simple. We can make simple sentences like this. Now, let's revise the moral compulsion. Let's make a few short sentences. मुझे ये काम करना चाहिए. I should do this job. Alright, मुझे ये काम करना चाहिए. आपको मेरे यहाँ आना चाहिए. You should come to my place. आपको ये फिल्म देखनी चाहिए. You should see or watch this film. आपको ये किताब पढ़ना to read and पढ़नी because किताब is feminine. Film is feminine, so देखनी, and किताब is feminine, so पढ़नी. So here we notice that the infinitive form or the infinitive, the verb is changing, agreeing with the noun, number and gender of the object. Alright? Similarly, in co and infinitive will happen. Let's make 4 sentences. Masculine singular, masculine plural, feminine singular and feminine plural. Masculine singular. मुझे ये मोबाइल खरीदना है. I must buy this mobile phone. मुझे ये मोबाइल खरीदना है और I want to buy this mobile. मुझे 2 केले खरीदने हैं. Now the helping verb also will agree because here there are 2 bananas. I'll repeat. Listen carefully. मुझे 2 केले खरीदने हैं. मुझे ये मोबाइल खरीदना है. खरीदना became खरीदने because केले plural. फेमिनिन सिंगुलर, मुझे ये फिल्म देखनी है। I want to watch this film. I want to watch this movie. मुझे ये किताबें खरीदनी हैं। फेमिनिन सिंगुलर एंड प्लूरल रिमेन सेम। ये फिल्म सिंगुलर, ये किताबें प्लूरल हैं। So remember that. Now, I hope it is clear. Now let's go to the lesson story and let's see what's happening there. Alright. So in the last 2 chapters, we have seen that our volunteer student Ravi has joined Raju, our teacher, at the summer camp, and he's working at the information desk. It's been a few days, and today Ravi has to leave early because it is his brother's birthday today. How he does that in Hindi, let's see in these sentences. I will read these sentences. I have already explained the structure O with infinitive. Now, when I read these sentences, try to repeat after me and try to identify this construction used in these sentences. Alright? I'm starting. आज मुझे जल्दी घर जाना है। आज मुझे जल्दी घर जाना है। भाई के लिए मुझे तोहफा खरीदना है। भाई के लिए मुझे तोहफा खरीदना है। उसके दोस्तों को बुलाना है। उसके दोस्तों को बुलाना है। मुझे पार्टी की तैयारी करनी है। मुझे पार्टी की तैयारी करनी है। और हाँ, मम्मी की मदद भी करनी है। Let's read them again. आज मुझे जल्दी घर जाना है। भाई के लिए मुझे तोहफा खरीदना है। उसके दोस्तों को बुलाना है। मुझे पार्टी की तैयारी करनी है। और हाँ, मम्मी की मदद भी करनी है। Now let's discuss these sentences. आज मुझे जल्दी घर जाना है। आज today, मुझे जल्दी is early or soon. जल्दी. If I use jaldi twice, then it means as fast as possible or as soon as possible. Alright? आज मुझे जल्दी घर जाना है। घर is home, जाना to go. Today I must leave early for home, he is saying. भाई के लिए मुझे तोहफा खरीदना है। के लिए we have already done a postposition for. मुझे तोहफा a gift, खरीदना to buy. For whom he is buying this gift? Because it is his brother's birthday. तो भाई के लिए, भाई is brother. भाई के लिए for brother. Alright? Third sentence. उसके दोस्तों को बुलाना है। उसके दोस्तों को बुलाना है, उसका, उसकी, उसके, इस, दोस्तों को, the verb is को बुलाना, to invite. को apposition, दोस्त plural with को, दोस्तों को oblique case here. उसके दोस्तों को बुलाना है, I have to invite his friends over. मुझे पार्टी की तैयारी करनी है, मुझे पार्टी की तैयारी करनी है, तैयारी preparations, preparation, तैयारियां plural, preparations. मुझे पार्टी की of the party करनी to do. So I have to make preparations for the party. पार्टी की तैयारी करनी है. तैयारी is feminine, that's why करनी, right? और हाँ, मम्मी की मदद भी करनी है. और हाँ and yes. मम्मी, mom, की मदद, मदद is also feminine noun. Help, करनी, मदद करना is a verb. Yeah, करना will become करनी. मम्मी की मदद भी करनी है. I have to help my mother. मुझे पापा की मदद करनी है. I have to help my father. मुझे भाई की मदद करनी है. I have to help my brother. मुझे दोस्तों की मदद करनी है. I have to help my friends. Right? So these were the 5 sentences. What did we learn here? को बुलाना, to invite. मैं आपको पार्टी में बुलाना चाहता हूँ. I want to invite in the party. Alright? Then we learned brother, bhai is brother. Then तैयारी, 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 preparations or preparation. Right? मदद, help. मदद, the help, a feminine noun. Alright? So that's all for this these sentences. Now let's go to the other parts of the lesson. You can check the examples here, explanations, right? Translation. Now let's read these sentences. Example sentences I have added for you. Let's read them. कल सबको मेरे घर आना है. कल सबको मेरे घर आना है. सब, all. सबको मेरे घर, to my house. All of you must come to my place tomorrow. Now, if you see, मेरे घर is used when there is no postposition here. Sometimes in Hindi, we skip the postpositions but will keep the understood part. To my house, we are inviting someone to our house, right? So, to is understood here. So, मेरे घर will not say मेरा घर. Say मेरे घर. Because to is inherent, hidden, yeah. That's why oblique case is used. कल सबको मेरे घर आना है. Or we can say कल सबको मेरे यहाँ आना है. मुझे 2 दिन दिल्ली में रहना है. मुझे 2 दिन दिल्ली में रहना है. I have to stay in Delhi for 2 days. मुझे 2 दिन दिल्ली में रहना है. I have to stay in Delhi for 2 days. मुझे बहुत मेहनत करनी है. I must do a lot of hard work. मेहनत is hard work. मेहनत करना to do hard work. मुझे बहुत मेहनत करनी है. I must do a lot of hard work. कहाँ आना है? Where do I have to come? कहाँ आना है? और मुझे कहाँ आना है? Right? मुझे we have skipped. मुझे कहाँ आना है और कहाँ आना है. वहाँ क्यों जाना है? मुझे वहाँ क्यों जाना है और आपको वहाँ क्यों जाना है? Alright? It is understood here. If you are speaking to someone, here the context is we. वहाँ क्यों जाना है? Why do we have to go there? वहाँ क्यों जाना है? Simple sentences you can make without using मुझे, आपको. If the person we are speaking with is listening and he is able to understand what you are saying, then we don't have to use again and again the pronouns. Right? दिल्ली कब जाना है? When do we have to go to Delhi? राम को उसके साथ क्यों जाना है? Why does Ram have to go with him? उसके साथ. वो with के साथ. उसके साथ. वो with के लिए will be उसके लिए, for him. Okay, I'm just revising. Why does Ram have to go with him? राम को उसके साथ क्यों जाना है? मुझे कुछ पूछना है. I want to ask something. Right? I want to ask something. मुझे कुछ पूछना है. पूछना. To ask. Simple sentence is right. मुझे आपसे मिलना है. I want to meet you. मिलना. से मिलना. To meet with someone. मुझे आपसे मिलना है. Alright? क्या आपको जल्दी सोना है? Do you want to sleep early? क्या आपको जल्दी सोना है? Do you have to sleep early or do you want to sleep early? Both are correct. Alright? These were the example sentences. Now let's go to the other parts. I have given the compound verbs here. You can check these. Compound verbs are formed by combining nouns, adverbs, adjectives with the verbs. Normally the second verb is often karna, do. Alright? Compound verbs, you can read these notes. And here I have explained the go with infinitive. That's all. You can check negatives here. How do we form negatives, negative sentences? That's all for this lesson. I'll see you in the next.